Okay, Mike and I just got here.
Hey, well, her insurance fast.
Yeah, I think you can shoot. All right. Hope this is recording. There's that tower, completely twisted and bent. Hey Mike, can you go that way? It's shallow over there. Can you go through there? Oh yeah. Just go through there. It's a real shallow incline over there. Ain't this nice? The one there with the big American flag on it and the light.
Oh, yeah.
My nephew's right there in the driveway.
Top thing to work. I can't get that thing to work at all.
That's the zoom.
I wanted to, but I can't get to zoom.
Oh shoot, yeah, you push it left or right.
I thought I was doing that. Maybe
Yeah,
I was
you have
afraid
to
touching
prefer.
it too much hard.
Yeah, it'll really. It's a mess in that.
Oh. This is a tree from Kevin over. They're all. This is the front yard.
Like you see that? That's inside the car. That's where the mail guy.
Here's the mail truck. Something hit the mail truck and the mailman was walking out in the street dazed and somebody had to get him. He left his truck. This is down the street, going towards the top, towards Edgewood. There's Ricky and Corby and Billy and Diane and Carrie, Michael and Nathan and Mike Hensel, a friend of Bill's. He's working on this to get this working, get generator going to help my refrigerators. They're working on the trees.
Very careful, right?
This is again.
going forward now. Up
Okay.
in the right-hand
See,
corner.
while there, it's at standby.
Right, and then it'll turn itself off.
Okay. Well, I talked to her for a while.
Do
Now
you have any ibuprofen?
aspirin? Yeah.
Ibuprofen.
Well, I have aspirin and I have
Recording
Tylenol.
still.
No, I press that button, don't I?
Yeah, it seems it's recording. Recording.
Is it? How
Unless
do
you push it again.
Poor Mrs. Leverage. She's ready to get back home yet. Oh my gosh, yes.
That's far enough, right?
How about that? How about that?
Video as much as you can, eh?
You want to cross that wire? I saw that. Oh, I remember. That bit is door.
You hold on to that like money thing and take it down. Sorry.
I can't believe it.
Your house is all right.
No, I got all my stuff. It's all on my phone. Sure, I'll do it.
Well, my stuff is good. You have a birthday?
Yard dog, hang it up with that.
So, John got me out of house.
Zoom in on like those houses.
I know, I've done that.
You really didn't get much of anything. I mean, all things considered, he lost the whole house.
Oh, you got to do that.
Yeah, I was they're very lucky when they remember going to the where that field to play ball.
Anything at night, I bet it's a mess.
Yeah, you can see. I took Nathan.
Oh, okay.
I said, he seems to go help me put his neighbor. I'm like, no,
I was thinking, I think there was a dog, but are you gonna go or what? done? Go. Really tempting to cut down the tree that was waiting on the
No,
phone.
you gotta cut a wedge, and then I gotta go around the backside, and then they cut it.
Leading down to ATV. And they're cutting the wedge. They're cutting out a block.
Hey, that tree's a lot stronger. Come on, Nathan, make it fall.
This is my mind power.
Oh, what if that rope breaks? That would be horrible because then the tree would go that way. You know? If the rope breaks, the knot comes undone. He made the knot. Well, one already chopped halfway. He made it. Okay, the wedge is out. Are you recording? Does it say record?
There's the wedge that they cut out.
Here we go. Time, Nathan, let's go.
I've been recording.
No, you haven't.
Oh, what are they doing? Are they cutting out another wedge on the other side?
Well, no, they just cut like an angle like this.
I know, I'm out of the way. Now they're cutting an angle. Not broke, that was on the road.
Oh my god, you gotta try that in like a million freaking nuts. Because it's gonna come in.
I know. Uncle Bill uses Boy Scout skills.
We never Boy Scouts.
Yeah, I think they ditched the project.
Well, I mean,
Yellow. Let's take yellow's red.
Okay, we're gonna try another one.
Don't just like video silly things. Yeah, stop recording. Like videoing a book.
Getting ready to pull the tree down. Cutting it, they're loading on the way. Can't really see much movement from this point.
That tree would last another tornado.
That was awesome.
Phone lines? Yay!
It's good.
Careful. No. Hold up.
Careful, Nathan. Grandma.
Whoa.
Nathan's gonna run over you.
You gotta get the pressure off of it.
Those are heavy.
Those are some big logs.
You hear how hard that was when you hit that little log? It's a big solid tree too.
Go ahead, one's off. Oh, we got like three.
Oh, we got three.
We got like, we actually have. Let's have. Well, none of them are here.
I remember my mother used to say that, and I looked at her and said, Mother, how come you don't know my mother? But one thing my mother was older, my mother was not like that.
Is this okay, Bill? Are you on the way driving?
I don't know. Okay, go straight. Go straight. I'm telling you where to go. Go straight. Watch the trucks. Watch your sides. Now you're getting real close over there for some reason. Now you gotta go here. Whoop. Watch the dips and stuff because it's going to bounce real bad. Watch the trailer on that tree.
The brake light's on, is what I'm wondering.
They're on. The headlights kind of come on. Just go. You cannot take that straight, you know. You have to go on an angle. That's not an angle. Crank it, crank it, crank it, crank it, crank it. No, you can't go down the street.
The info line.
Joe, look, see straight ahead? Right there, look. See where that white truck is? There's another tower down right there. So see those big, huge wires laying right there? Those are the main big wires. See how they come down here?
Is that electric?
Yeah, yeah.
Tornado came right through this area.
Yeah, see, but see how they come right here? See how those boom, 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 boom. See how they gone? They were all.
House is tore down.
Look at that house, guys, right here.
The one with the tree on top of it.
Are we gonna go this way? Yeah.
You won't believe it down here.
This is Hardy, where we used to ride our bikes down when we were kids.
Okay, those wires, I would not touch them. We're assuming they're not hot, but we don't.
Make sure we don't touch these wires.
Yeah, Nathan doesn't know how to spit.
This is sad. This is disturbing.
Oh, that's power that goes like
I feel disturbed.
that can go from here to Greenfield, we get Greenfield power or something. So when that fails, another time fails, and then
It's just a wide ice.
Isn't it? Yeah, I don't know.
this house up here.
And they call like, I want insurance.
Look, here's that tree that's twisted.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they only make you if you
The Mappus's house is right there.
Who? And the mortgage company says. Everyone. Nobody just all this stuff they still figure out what to do. You got to carve it off, and then they still let it wetter.
Yes, because they had combined the okay, so we put okay on the LCC. Oh.
Means they search the homes.
What if they're not? Do they say not okay?
Uninhabitable. Oh man. The kids' room with the Winnie the Pooh.
one more street over, it would have been a whole different story for us. We'd be walking down our street.
One street over.
You know what? Young's house was like Mom's, right up, just a block away. Nothing. You get up and you call in. I mean, the 20 is right there. And they're on their house.
Young's didn't have demons?
Those houses, they're tearing these things down. I mean, really, there's just, you wouldn't, where would you, I mean, I wouldn't know where I would want to start. I'd say, it's not worth starting it.
Just right across the field.
See, theirs is like ours just got hit.
Yeah. Not as bad.
They got some nice mungo tree over there.
See, look at them pulled up by the roots and stuff.
So see, if you notice, look, see how it's heading that way? See how now the damage is starting to start getting lighter?
Yeah.
It's headed right there. That's the St. Jude Brown College.
It just that one.
Yeah, that's kind of what it did, really.
Oh, it is. It is.
Yeah.
It came right through here. So see, Mom was just right on the fringe of it there.
Look how bad that was. You imagine. These poles will be down for a while.
So those
That guy's
schools
got
could
his
have
general
been.
contractor sign.
These guys have been doing a bunch of rehab, getting all the.
He
Yeah.
sees general contractor. He's gonna.
Boy, that one there needs to be tore down.
Power line, there.
Very wide.
Right.
That it was a real narrow. That it was a narrow line.
Yeah, it doesn't get that bad up the rest of the way. It's all right through
We
here.
got to here too.
This is where we came, and there was trees. You were climbing over trees to get down the road last night.
It was so dark we couldn't really see anything, even with our little.
I should have brought it with that night vision thing.
Take my truck up here, spun around, slammed out there, and broke out. So that's what I got. I don't have any one in my truck. He said,
He was on his way to St. Jude.
look, just lifting the boom out there.
Watch out for this car.
Johnny.
This was a whole wooded neighborhood. They had no idea this had happened.
Mary Pat called Larry today. 2.5 hours to get home. Mary Pat called Larry today because she saw it on the news
Oh, really?
when I was over there earlier. Oh yeah, that right there. Oh yeah, I ducked it.
He's getting pulled forward. Yeah, every time he goes up, put his leg up in the air, he's like jerked like 5 steps. You got 2 billion.
All you do is get your stuff.
76 to 79.
Stop.
You just gotta
Another car.
on a moving home.
We don't just found
The dog next door got blown away and somebody brought him back. His neighbor went up in here, flipped him around, and he got out.
It smells like old wood. You just smell all the old wood burned up, or just houses leaning.
Oh man, but that
I mean, you could come in with 200 guys and not do it, and just work days, weeks here, trying to pick up this stuff. What's gonna happen? I bet they end up tearing these things down. I just think the house is gonna be leaning. I think that came from the shoe carnival.
No, it's like. Go, Web, go! Go! Go, Web, go! Go! Where's the string? Go, go!
Who wound up number 7?
What is that thing? Oh, it's a box of I got one of those raisin guys.
Hey, did you see that tree that's twisted?
Whoa! Oh wow! Like a corkscrew. I don't think that telephone pole was there before.
There, and then your hair starts twisting.
Okay. John, let's go right. Turn, go right. Here comes the motorcycle. Go right. Right.
Laundry basket.
We might be able to, you know what, we probably might be able to go straight out that road and go look in that neighborhood. Don't watch those wires now again.
Hey,
Make sure we go under all the wires again.
I'd go too.
That didn't used to be a house right there.
No, it's from the house right there. There's a house right in here though.
hold on tight.
Hang on, don't leave yet.
We're not going.
Is Amy walking?
Amy, you walk. These things have been driving around here all the time.
I drove over there. There was a guys. I drove over there. There was a big plywood or a 2x4 like split.
Go straight. Nah, don't go straight. This road's all closed. Go that way.
I don't know.
I'm pointing this way. I don't know where you're looking. We live that way. You're not going to get through here. How long is it going to take you to figure it out?
All right, well, you say go straight.
And I was going like this, and you're right there. Wait till it winds down all the way. Jesus Christ, you don't have to just... There's people over here. Let's get away from them. This is Cambridgeshire. You turn left at this road. This is where Grandma lives. Watch that fence. You're not looking. Okay, you gotta go up around here. And you go up over here, and as soon as you get on your side, you go left. Watch the fenders. As soon as you come in here, you go left.
Go down there.
Left. Left. Follow my hand. Jesus Christ. Honey, I'm trying to give you hand direction, and you're still not understanding it. He doesn't understand that. He doesn't. 15 times, hasn't figured it out yet. Big bump, you're gonna take him right into it. Stay away from that tree. Away from that tree. You're like a moth to flames. Turn there. Go up here, we gotta get our stuff. Watch that bucket, you're gonna hit it with the side. You didn't see it. There'd be house, there'd be just this much less, and from that valley over was gone.
I know where I am. This is where we go to Round College. I know where I am. I didn't know your mom lived in there. I just put it together. You can't.
Look at this road's all closed.
Look at all down the left here.
Backside of it.
Okay,
Left
you guys
side.
gotta like actually work. You just can't drive around all day, dude. Keep
Hey,
going.
Volamos.
Work.
Look at John.
William,
work,
look
you
it
work.
down. Would you be quiet already and look on the left-hand side all the way down the road? You'll see where all the power lines hit every house.
Oh, Doggies.
I'm telling you.
Oh, there's
Doggies,
telephone.
look
These
at
are those
that.
new ones they put in, those big ones they put in. What's it mean? How do you say work?
They say, work.
They drove at the end of our street and didn't do. Look at that pole.
Big one, snap. Oh, shit.
Well,
Wow, it's bare down there. I mean, it's naked. There used to be trees down there.
Yep.
We were lucky. Look at that huge tree fell and missed their house.
Yeah.
Look at this, nothing.
Yep.
These people having a card party. These people were just inundated, crushed roofs. Look at this. Oh, they got a lot of this is trees across the road here. That's what's happening. Okay, right there. That's who Rob and I were going to come and cut trees for today. He's just wandering around the street going, what do I do? What the hell do I do?
And that used to be a forest.
Yeah, this was a woods right here, Andy, on the corner.
Whoa.
Christmas.
Oh yeah, you gotta see it. You gotta catch it.
Start sawing or go home. This guy in the
right.
corner, his yard was full of trees. He's another real old guy. He had an American flag on his mailbox, which is gone. He has a device that when the mailman leaves mail, the flag pops up. So he can see from his living room whether there's mail. Look at this.
Look at
Andy.
all that. Woo!
Coming up on the right is this house. The chimney's gone. Here, yeah, turn left. Wow.
Wild garage is gone.
That house is so cute right there. Woo.
Wow, who's up here? I didn't realize all that either.
Oh yeah. Woo.
Wow, I think Gary's house is okay.
Oh my gosh, I needed to get that blue house. Dang. Woo.
I'm just gonna
I need to
pull
get
her
over
for
here.
a second. I'll let him check it out.
All right, Grandma's house, Greg.
It's just down here on Edgewood, just past
My
no,
brother-in-law.
it's a quarter mile.
Well, did Greg tell you I had all my cheerleaders and stuff support ladies for an hour with our heads down.
Oh my
And
God.
we were an hour late dismissing, and we were in Greenfield. An hour late dismissing. I mean, it was blowing my mind because of course, the whole time I'm not hearing any news. I'm not hearing anything. And I'm thinking, oh my
School
God,
over
it's
here,
right here.
you know, you got Keystone and Clinton,
Yeah, yeah.
St. Jude, Roncalli, always up there. And he said, Dad, when we got home, I said, call me. And I said, I called him, I said, Grandma's house. And, I mean, it was huge. Went down that street over there. This still is nothing compared over there. That street over there.
Parking in the yard. I get her all day. You said, hey, I spent the most money last year. You're lucky you got all those trees out here. This is what it would look like.
I put it cool here. You know, we almost put it in this year. I just decided I didn't have enough sunlight to put a little addition on the back. Cool.
Again, if you were taking some trees
Well,
out.
we were talking about this and having to go, and I was like, yeah, that's why I didn't do it. Everything was clean down. You know what's bad is, tulips gone.
the side. You guys see it too.
Well, he let me look.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I wish I had a tour of it, but he said that's the good part to see.
Okay, they're bringing it up.
The little cincher didn't get caught right.
No, it's like should be in the center.
Well, it didn't pull down, so it hooked on tight. It's stuck on that barrel.
Whoa.
Well, setting record now. It was only on standby when you handed it to me.
No, I put it on standby so I wouldn't be talking to you. I know that.
Brian said she had no tape. This is all where she could have. Pay big money to live in this here, but now it's just, now you like living in a new subdivision.
It's not hard on this.
Yeah, well, there's house trees all around the house. Now you got
Thought that fence was going to get you. Yeah. Back out of the way, Brandon.
I mean, I had something on it, but I guess I heard it sitting on the table.
You know, when I turn around, I couldn't even turn around.
There's people video cutting on that tree. Look at all the people over there. Look at this really got hit bad through here, didn't it, Danny?
Yep.
Look at, wow, look at the back of that building's gone.
Whoa!
I think my tape's out, or close to being out.
Thanks. I thought it was a car, but I should have known. As long as the kid's got friends like you guys, it doesn't matter what.
You watch the traffic. So we don't hear anybody. for it as we go by. There's those houses that destroyed.